Here's your explanation for the danger of a single story analysis assignment. So before you can complete this assignment, you need to listen to the full TED Talk, which you should have done yesterday, and you should have already completed the comprehension quiz. So now you're going to go through the passages and respond to the questions in the boxes that come after them. So this is an analysis of the speech that was given. So you'll type your answers in the gray boxes, and you're expected to write in complete sentences and paragraphs. I want you to elaborate and explain your thoughts, give examples, discuss ideas you should be connecting with the text. So these are different segments from the TED Talk. So for the first question, you need to respond to the question, write about your experience with seeing yourself in fiction. In the stories you've read, movies you've seen, and shows you've watched, have you or have you not encountered characters that remind you of yourself? Give examples. Why does it even matter? Then you're going to read this next segment, and you're going to respond to this question. Write about a time when someone else made an assumption about you, when someone else narrowed you down to a single story. If you need ideas, think about someone assuming something about you because your gender, your age, where you live, etc. Then, write about assumptions that you have made about other people. They don't necessarily have to be harmful ones or negative ones, just examples of when you have had a single story of some other person or group of people, an oversimplified view of a more complex person or group of people. Then, thinking about the same passage above that you used to respond to the previous question, answer this. Why is it dangerous for us to categorize other people as only one thing, to make assumptions and treat people a certain way based on those assumptions? What is the potential harm in oversimplifying others into a single story? What bad could come from this? And finally, what is Adichie trying to get us to see here? What can we all do to help us to see others as more than just a single story? So you will respond to those questions, and that is your assignment for that is an explanation of your assignment for this week. Thank you.